How safe are glass shower doors? While a new shower door looks fragile, it should be able to stand up to years of frequent use. We ensure your shower's new glass door will resist shattering by knowing how to prevent breakage at each step of the installation process. Expect safe and durable materials. Shower doors are much safer today because of federal safety standards and local building codes. When you receive our quote on a shower door installation, feel free to ask us which brands of glass our company uses. Starting out with a door from a manufacturer that is known for producing high-quality pieces will give you confidence that it will meet safety standards. Pay attention to the installation. A reputable installer only uses tempered glass for shower doors, and their attention to detail goes even further than picking out safe materials. Our experienced installers know how to use the proper hardware to put in the door, so that it doesn't hit other surfaces in the space, or drag on the bottom of the shower. You will also notice that our installers are careful to hold the glass properly and protect it from damage by using strategies such as leaving on the corner covers. They'll also make sure that the hardware is firmly secured and that any bumpers are in their proper places to reduce pressure on the glass. Check regularly for wear and tear. Once the door is installed, our technicians will finish up by inspecting each critical component of the door mount. If any flaws are found, they'll make the necessary corrections. After that, you can do your part to maintain safety in your bathroom by checking the door regularly for any signs of damage and treating it with care. When you clean the door, take note of any small cracks or dings that you see. If you find even minor damage, then reach out to us for a professional inspection. Depending upon when the door was installed, it may still be under the manufacturer's warranty or be covered under our installation policy. Experience matters when it comes to making sure that your shower door doesn't break. We've trained our team to use a multi-point system to ensure every door is safe, even before we bring it into your bathroom. We start by only working with reputable suppliers. Then, we check each door to make sure that it doesn't have any blemishes. As we work, we make sure the door never touches other surfaces that could cause breakage, such as ceramic tile. After the installation is complete, we do a final check to make sure that the door is free of any imperfections before finally asking for your approval. By the time that you enter your shower, you can be sure that it has passed through multiple checks, so that it is unlikely to shatter. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.